Crafty Angels, Vanessa here from Angel Rose Designs here on YouTube, and today I'm doing video number 2 in my pocket junk journal pocket series. And today I'm going to show you another style of envelope or pocket that I usually make. And you can see my basket of goodies. Let me see. Get this out of the way. There we go. And also, I'm going to name everything I have, but it's going to be in a list down below. And I have my paper trimmer. Okay, so we're going to get started. What I done is I took some book paper and I trimmed it down to this size, which is about 6 1/4 by 7, by 5. Okay, so 6 by 5, and I also have my tags and stuff. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna ink the edges, and I'm gonna show you another way that I make my journaling pages. And I'm using Ranger Distress Ink Oxide Vintage Photo. Okay, so I'm gonna find my little dauber, and I'm gonna ink both sides. And this is a little dauber that I made with a makeup sponge and a binder clip. And if y'all want to see how I did it, I can do a video on it. Just leave it in the comments. But it's pretty simple. Cut the makeup sponge and put it in between the binder clip, and you got it. I'm also going to fold it up. Whoops. And do this side. And since the other side here is not going to be seen, I'm not going to distress that. I'm going to distress a little flap up here. And I'm going to show you a different way I learned how to, by myself, I learned it on my own, how to make this where you can fit a little more than usual inside of the pocket. Okay, so I'm going to take this book page, I'm going to trim it. Okay, I'm going to trim one side of it. To about 1 inch wide. Okay, and that's going to be enough for both sides to get a piece of this. Okay, so I'm going to measure it and mark it here, and then I'm going to fold that in half so they're equal. I'm going to put it in my trimmer, trim that down, that little piece. Save that little piece because you can use it for something. I'm going to put it back in my trimmer, right on the fold, and I have pieces for both sides. Okay, now what I'm going to do is fold this in half. I could use my scoreboard, but I don't want to pull it out right now. So, and I'm going to use a bone, not a bone folder, but the end of a butter knife, and flatten these out. Okay. Now, what I'm going to do is put them right in here, like that. Okay. Whoops, I'm off camera. Sorry about that. I'm going to put them in with my art glitter glue, and everything that I'm using will be listed in the comments section of this video. Okay, I'm going to do one side first and then the other. That way it's easier on me to get it done. So, uh-oh. I gotta turn it this way so I can see better. I want to butt it up against the very top and then fold it over again and burnish it. I'm going to do this side also. I'm going to put my glue. I'm going to open it up a little. I'm going to butt it up against the edge of the paper and burnish it down, and then glue both of these. Let me close my glue. I'm going to fold this over. Whoops, not that way. And there you go. You can put whatever you want in the pocket. I have a tag here, and then I have a note card that I trimmed down to fit. So I'm going to distress those. Oop! Craft the lunch over here. Craft the lunch. So I'm gonna ink up my dauber and just lightly brush over the edges. You can get the finger daubers, but I like my daubers. I can easily change them when I want. And it's almost time for me to change up my daubers. I'm going to ink both sides because you can journal on both sides. So I'm going to ink up both sides. And this one I'm not going to punch a hole in it because I like it the way it is. And we're going to get that like that. And I like that. Okay, so we got both sides of that inked. We're going to get both sides of the tag inked. Okay. And here we go. And this video is not made for any kids under the age of 18. Oops. Yeah, it's about time I make a new dauber for this one. But it's lasted me a good while. Okay, so we got both of those inked up. I'm going to close my ink and put it up. And we have the tag and our little other journaling card. And as y'all can see, I can still fit more items in here. So there you go. This is pocket number 2 in my series, my pocket junk journal pocket series. And I will see you all in the next video. And on the flip side, happy crafting on a budget, happy everything on a budget. Stay crafty, be crafty. And if you haven't already, what are you waiting for? Hit that big red subscribe button down there and subscribe, and also hit the notification bell to get notified of when I upload a video or when I go live. I will see you all in the next video and on the flip side. Bye bye for now.